Hello guys, welcome. So in this video we're reviewing NordPass, a password manager from the team behind NordVPN that's become one of the most acclaimed tools in its category. So if you want to decide if you want to use this password manager, let us begin. So NordPass is designed to make your digital life safer and simpler, storing logins, autofilling credentials and syncing securely across all your devices. Think of it as a vault that not only secures passwords, but also streamlines how you access your accounts. Now, NordPass uses XCHAT20 as an encryption and operates on a zero-knowledge architecture, meaning only you can access your data. Also, it's available on Windows, macOS, Linux, iOS, and Android, and major browsers. NordPass ensures seamless access everywhere. Biometric logins and MFA add layers of security without extra friction. Premium plans also include password health checks, data breach monitoring, secure item sharing, and even email masking with up to 3 GB cloud storage. Now, the pricing. So, free plan first. It offers essential features, including password storage and autofill, great for solo users on one device at a time. Premium start at roughly $1.50 to $2 a month. Offers sync across devices, health tools, and secure sharing. Family and business plans are also available with competitive pricing. Okay, now guys, the next section is pros and cons. So firstly, tech-forward encryption and zero-knowledge design build trust. Excellent multi-device support with a sleek interface, and feature-rich offerings like breach alerts, secure sharing, and business tools. Cons: the free plan is limited to single device use, lacking sync and advanced tools. Family sharing feels clunky, no shared vault, just password by password acceptance. Several users report unreliable autofill and sync issues, especially on mobile and extensions. In terms of the real user feedback, someone wrote, NordPass autofill is junk, not recommended. That aside, it's the best vault for me and my spouse, it just works. This is the second feedback. So some users had friction with updates and autofill reliability, highlighting the mixed but evolving user experience. So in general, should you choose it? Well, NordPass is a top-tier choice for users who value privacy, strong encryption, and a polished cross-platform user experience. So if you're syncing passwords across devices or need breach monitoring, the premium plan delivers solid value. So that's it. If reliability across platforms, smooth autofill, or seamless family sharing is critical, you might encounter frustrations. If you rely on flawless autofill or co-managing with a family, consider testing carefully or exploring alternatives like Bitwarden or 1Password. So if you just find yourself still unsure, just try the free plan first and then see if it works for you. So if this helped you make a decision, give the video a like and subscribe for more reviews. Stay secure.